Hey everybody, today I'm taking a look at the Veed.io ChatGPT plugin. As you can see, I'm looking at a ChatGPT interface here. This is the Video GPT plugin. I'm going to go ahead and put in a description of what I'm looking for. Video about birds. I want to use avatar video and stock video. Notice that it told me that videos here are limited to 1 minute in length, and I'm going to pick the Avery avatar for this video. As you can see, ChatGPT and the plugin are coming up with some ideas for directions we could take. I'm going to choose option 1, diverse species. GPT is now going to generate an outline for what could be covered. I can either make any edits or I can hit continue, which I'm going to do here. As you can see, there's a little bit of processing time involved here once we get to this step. And the basics are generated here. Next, we're going to go over to Veed.io's website itself in order to continue. During this part, I'm going to fast forward, as you can see. And it only took about 2 minutes to generate that video. So as you can see, we've got our avatar video, we've got subtitles, we've got different background videos, and notice that we're actually looking at, or the video itself is actually synced, right? So when we talk about eagles and hawks, we see a video of a hawk. If I want, I can share that with collaborators, or I can hit done to export the video.
Hey everyone! Did you know that there are over 10,000 bird species worldwide? That's right, each one with its unique adaptations. Let's dive into the fascinating world of bird diversity. First up, we have tropical birds like parrots, toucans, and hummingbirds. Their colorful feathers and unique beaks are perfectly suited for their diets. Talk about a fashion statement. Next, let's talk about birds of prey. Eagles, hawks, and owls are true hunters with their keen eyesight and powerful talons. They're the masters of the sky. Now, let's take a dip into the world of waterfowl and whiters. Ducks, swans, penguins, and flamingos have adapted to aquatic life. They're the true water champions. Ah, the melodious world of songbirds. From the tiny wren to the enchanting nightingale, these birds bring music to our ears and play an important role in our culture. Sing it, little ones. But wait, not all birds can fly. Meet the flightless birds like ostriches, emus, and kiwis. They've adapted to life without flight, and they're still pretty amazing. Lastly, let's talk about conservation. Preserving bird habitats is crucial to maintaining this incredible diversity. So let's protect their homes and keep these beautiful creatures thriving. And that's a wrap. Birds are truly incredible, don't you think? Let's appreciate and protect them. See you next time.